Hey, what's up everybody? It's a 97 Civic right here, and we're doing a headliner. So if you look up here, you can see how the headliner's like hanging down. We got some cuts here. That's from smoking lots and lots of fucking weed in this car. Over years of cigarettes and weed and all kinds of shit. So anyway, it's hanging down, flaps in the wind. I want to fucking replace it, so we're gonna show you how to fucking do that today. So the first thing you got to do is take down all of your accessories here. I guess we'll start with this right here. It's just a Phillips screwdriver. Oh, look at that one, coming out already. Let me get a, oh fuck it, I'll throw them right down in here so I don't lose them. Oh yeah, oh, that's fucked up right there. Well, I'm gonna need a flathead screwdriver for that one. This right here, you can just kind of pop down, I think. Oops. Yeah, that just pops off right there. And you got some Phillips screwdrivers holding it. Oops. So you got 3 Phillips screws. I'm holding those in. Alright, this right here, I believe this just pops off also. Maybe. Tear it up. It's like some kind of, there it is, okay. So you just kind of twist it out, squeeze, pull down, kind of fucked it up. But it's like these little retainers, so you just turn it. So just turn these out, they'll pop out. So I'll do that over here. There's some bitches kind of stuck. Let me get a flathead screwdriver right quick. Something a little bit. This will work. Yeah. It's like a Torx bit right here, but it's also a flathead. Let me go grab a tool right quick. Let me just grab a different bit here. Got a little flathead screwdriver. Alright, there's one right there. Really need to do something about this also. Alright, I'm gonna take out that one. This right here, you can pop this out with a flathead, or just take your hand and pry it down. And on this, there is one Phillips holding it in here. So there's that. All of this comes out, and you got an electrical connector here. Looking back here, you got 2 tabs. that you just kind of slide off. Or you could leave them in, and when you take this headliner down, just kind of wiggle that through. But these do slide off. There they go. And then we got to take down these safety handles. So, starting over here, we've got one right here. Just pry these tabs out, and you'll see that there is a Phillips head screwdriver, Phillips head screw behind them.